President, we are presenting to you the first criminal complaint against Jack Lam, against Wally Sombrero, against the two interpreters with the collusion of General Charles Calima.
Pagkano bang kabuang perang ibinigay ni Wally Sombrero?
50 million ang binigay niya at ang sabi niya, Sir, balatin niyo na yung 2 million. Okay, we do not look at it as bribe money. We look at this as evidence of corruption. It doesn't matter to us whether he gets 2 million, he gets 5 million. So we got 48 million. And then General Calima should explain where is the 18 million. So ang nangyari dito is a continuing investigation in our capacity as Associate Commissioners of the Bureau of Immigration. At the time that we have received in custody of 50 million pesos, alisin mo lang yung binawas ni Wally Sombrero, we could have easily made the arrest. But why did we not pursue it and consider this as future evidence? Because at the time that Wally Sombrero had met us in the City of Dreams, walang signs of Jack Lam. Mahuhuli ko si Wally Sombrero, but there is no sign of Jack Lam. We were not born yesterday. We know that when we put ourselves in the City of Dreams, sa tingin nyo ba hindi namin alam na may mga camera dyan? Sa tingin nyo ba hindi namin nire-risk ang aming chance na makita ang opportunity kung hanggang saan ang korupsyon, na ginagawa ng mga taong hindi nagbabayad ng tamang buwis at rather ibinibigay sa mga present officers of the government, sa mga previous officers of the government. Yan ang katibayan that corruption exists through the illegal operations of Jack Lam. Mr. President, we were able to give you the living proof that Jack Lam is into corruption. And we are the first officer who were able to file corruption charge against Jack Lam. Kami ni Deputy Commissioner Mike Robles, ang nakadiscover ng the only living evidence against Jack Lam. We may be new as public officers. But please, our integrity is intact when we go here and assume that we are the appointed of President Duterte as his trusted immigration officers.